Okay guys, we got a 2015 Chevy Impala here with a P069E. That's E as in Edward code. So I want to show you a quick fix. You want to check this out before you do anything else. Come back here to the trunk. Staring at the trunk, come to the right hand side. This little box right here, let me get a picture of it for you. The SCM. Take this tab, this piece lifts up. Lift that up, open the gate. Now it's gonna try to unplug. I may end up shutting the car off here because it's gonna run out of fuel. It just did. This little pink wire right here in the corner, make sure you grab that and shove it down. It likes to come loose. It's a manufacturer error. And so if that comes loose, you're gonna throw that code. And it may even shut off your vehicle like it just did. That supplies the power to the fuel pump. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.